How to fix Instagram comments glitch. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to settings on your Android phone and then scroll down, go to the apps and then go to apps right here and wait a few seconds. It will take you to this page right here. As you can see, scroll down until you find Instagram, click on it, click here on storage. Now wait a few seconds, it will start computing, and after it finish, click here on clear data, go back, click here on this option, it's called force stop, and then the last step you have to do is click here on power usage details and make sure to this app launch option, click on it and choose manage automatically and enable it. Now all what you have to do is restart your phone and reopen Instagram. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.